How to allow uploading images to your Squarespace forms. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can have a form in Squarespace and allow that form to basically upload or allow people to upload photos when they're actually filling in the form. This is actually going to be very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. First, just go ahead and open up your Squarespace website, click on edit. And it's just going to open up the editor section here for us. I'm just going to scroll to the bottom and add a section right down here, but you can obviously create that section wherever you want. And I'm just going to go to the forms options here. So here you can actually just go ahead and see the templates for forms, and you can just go ahead and pick whichever one that you actually want. So I'm just going to go for this one. But you can feel free to go for any. Actually, I'm just going to go for this one instead. So let's just make it as simple as possible. So just go ahead and click on whichever type of form that you want to edit. And here you would obviously be able to change the text in here to whatever it may be. Same goes for this text and same goes for the rest of this form. Now, what we want to do really is just go ahead and click on the form itself, and we want to edit it and allow it to upload files. So just go ahead and click on edit, not edit, click on the form itself, and then it's just going to pop up a menu here right on top of it. You should find this pencil icon. Just go ahead and click on it, which is the edit option. And then here you will find the form name, which you can feel free to change. So we can just name it test form. We also have the button text, so you can actually change the text within the button, so we can actually do submit instead or something else. But here's the important part, which is the edit form fields. Just go ahead and click on edit form fields. Here you will have all the fields that are included in this form. So for example, here we have first name, last name. I'm just going to remove the phone number, for example. I'm just going to remove the services thing, the budget thing, and also I'm just going to remove the rest of these things. Message, sure, I'm just going to leave it as it is. But anyways, to add the upload image option, you want to click on add field, and then from here you want to just scroll down to the bottom, and then you will find this file upload option. Just go ahead and click on that, and then you will see that we have the file upload option. And we can also go ahead and click on the arrow right next to it and make it required. This way we can actually just go ahead and make it required, and we can add a description. Upload a photo. Obviously you can just name it whatever you want or add the description to whatever you like, which is going to appear for people. So just make sure you give them the instructions needed. And then we can just go to file details here and allow only specific file types. Click on that, and then we can just go ahead and select images. Now they won't be able to upload PDFs, presentations, videos, and so much. We just wanted to have images, so we can just select that. If you want it to be images and videos, you can also change it to be like that. It's completely up to you. And we can also set up the max number of files. So if you want to decrease or increase that, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to leave it to 1, and we can just go back. And now we are pretty much set. People will be able to upload photos to your form in Squarespace easily. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Just make sure you save on the top left. And this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.